Breathing well is an important step to being pain-free. Put your hands on your belly, and then you're going to breathe into your belly. And then exhale. Inhale to breathe in, and exhale. And do that a few more times. Allow your belly to expand even more each time. And feel your pelvis expanding as well. And really exhale very clearly. Exhale all the way out. As much as you inhale. And exhale. You can do 10 repetitions of this or until you feel your nervous system begin to relax. Although it's good to do this while you're sitting in your chair at the office, you may also want to lay down to feel a little bit more feedback through your back. Another common thing that can happen is you might end up breathing here, but you want to expand through your belly just a little bit more. Now you're ready to layer on more movement and have it be effective and efficient.